And now comes the portion of the video where we actually unbox it. I'm awkward, so I'm gonna do the entire thing standing up. Because I don't know a way to keep my face in it and keep the audio going and also unbox it because I'm a new YouTuber. So bear with me. Here we are. Oh. And already out the gate, it's giving luxury. Let's take a little look. First of all, we've got a cute little card. It says, "Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece. And I can't wait to see how you style it." It's in cursive. I can read. I'm not illiterate, I promise. It is in cursive. Look at the inside of this box, guys. It's so cute. Duster bag. Again, a very luxury experience, as it should be. Look at this. Look at it. I'm not gonna lie, I already did open it when I first got it because I was excited. So if the tissue paper inside looks a little ghetto, just know that's why. But oh, look at the tissue paper. Well, it was really cute. And so look, there we go. Duster bag off. And now, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. Babe, why is it so pretty? Yeah, I don't know how I got the other one off so easy. There we go. Ah! Is this not super cute? So I got the forest green. I already told you what kind of bag it is. If not, I'll put it again on the screen if I didn't already include that. Medium size. I got the medium size one and it's pretty. And it's green. Ah! I just love this color green because I feel like it always looks so expensive. Well, not always, but I feel like it looks really expensive when it's done right. And this is done oh so right. If you are interested in getting a bag, I would recommend getting a medium size one. The one that I just showed you guys, this one is medium size, and this is going to fit things that you're gonna need to have with you. The small bags are not going to fit anything. They are also so cute, and I'm tempted to buy them all the time too. If you are like me and you're gonna put a bunch of crap in your bag, get the medium size one like this. It looks small on camera, but it really fits a lot, just enough. And if you have even more crap in your bag, get a large size one. I've never got a large one though. It's not really on my pay grade yet, but yeah, I love it, guys. I think you should get it. I love that it's Black owned, and I just love that every single time he comes out with a new style, it's a bop. Why is it always so pretty? It's almost stressing me out how great the brand is. Okay. I know it sounds like I'm getting paid for this. He should run me a check. Brandon, I already love you and I'm already like supporting. So I'm just putting that out there. But this is not sponsored, I promise. Yeah, but if you like that video, you need more like little reviews of like popular trending items and stuff, then let me know. I can also do reviews of like other brands. I'm not gonna name any names. You guys tell me in the comments and then I'll buy it. That'll help you guys feed my shopping addiction. That'll help me help you guys, help me help you feed your shopping addiction. And together, we can enable each other to spend more money than we should on clothes and accessories. And that sounds like the start of a beautiful friendship, if you ask me. Is it not? So comment below if you have any questions about Miss Brandon here, and comment below if you have any suggestions for what else you want to see me review. Okay, bye and subscribe. I love you guys.